This is going to be nice. I want to be there on top.
Nivo 30.
Hey. Stairs. I would say like 30. Maybe it's a bit disappointing, huh? So maybe one way down. Oh. From here you can go down, huh? Okay, it's nothing to see here, like except the ladder, but it's locked too. We should ring somewhere. Like, can we just get in and look outside? Yeah, let's walk on. I'm going to walk. We see us downstairs. Yes, it's only like 28. Oh, here's a window. Here's a window.
There's a window?
Yes. Outside, this building is awesome. But if you go inside, there's nothing. There's not a lot to see. But it's a long way down.
Poseta.
No, we couldn't see the windows. Like there was no.
Yeah, because
The restaurant is closed, huh? So you have a key? Can bring me there? This guy is now going to show me the like a look.
step here.
This one? Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, nice. Wow. Yes. Wait.
Actually, the better view is from 29th floor.
Wow. This is your view all day.
Yeah, but also there is apartment on 29th floor.
From one of the most significant tower from Soviet era.
Yeah.
That's really nice. Thank you so much for showing me this.
Communist era, not Soviet.
A communist era,
We
yes.
were not under Soviet Union.
Yeah.
There was a fight
yeah.
between Tito, president,
Yeah.
and Soviet Union. So we were not under Soviets.
Looking at this, I thought first like, yeah, maybe it's nobody's living there because downstairs it was like really like
Much higher level, you know, it's much better.
Nivo 29.
want to go there?
If you, I don't know if you if you want to show me,
yeah,
like
sure.
okay, I want to show. 29, so it's almost like. Yes.
Okay, still here we have some things, but maybe this apartment. Oh,
What is that?
over there.
Dobar dan.
We have construction.
But this is also very like nice. Oh, even the view is even better.
Here the view is much better. If you want, okay, from this point.
No, oh, this one is like perfect. So if I want to rent it, so how much?
We are fixing now, and we will rent this apartment.
And like, what do I need to pay for it? It's expensive.
I didn't form any prices right now. Okay, usually here must be per day. You know.
Ah, per day.
Per day, yes.
Ah, okay.
Look, if you there is options long term and short term.
Yes.
If you want to rent,
Ah, you want to put Airbnb maybe?
well, okay, depends. Sky apartment.
Awesome. So thank you.
See you.
See you. If you want to go, I would give you my recommendation for this. Because it's just like a very significant building. It's like 2 towers, social building, commercial building, a tower, a gate. It's kind of like everything. And it's Soviet style, it feels so strange. Whew, was that amazing? Was that really amazing?